Hold up, I might need to close the door because you probably guys hear all that noise. 1 second. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marley Babe and I'm back with another video. Making videos is always be so hard because I don't be knowing what to make a video of. So the last upload that I did was a series that I have called Cooking with Marley, where, you know, I'll cook for y'all or cook with y'all or show y'all what I'm cooking, however you want to say it. But I basically cook a meal with y'all and y'all watch it. So this is another series in my channel. So you guys have seen before the cooking video, I did my little bathing suit series where like I'm making, like, obviously I have a clothing brand that I just started and trying to get that off the ground. Another thing that I'm going to be doing is upcycling clothes. All right, let's start that over, okay? So upcycling, what upcycling is whenever you go to your local thrift store, which would be either like a Salvation Army or a Goodwill or just a regular thrift store, and you purchase clothes and then you turn it into something different, or, you know what I'm saying, you know, do what you do. So I went to the thrift store and I found this right here, which I love. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a scarf, maybe like a winter scarf, but it's not gonna be a winter scarf. I don't know how much fabric this is. So this is maybe like a yard. So it's about 2 yards, right? 2 yards of fabric. I'm actually about to make this into an outfit. So what I was thinking is do like a 2-piece moment. I want to make a skirt out of this material. So I want to have, and I want to leave the little danglies at the bottom. So I want to make this into a skirt with a matching like bathing suit type top, real cute. And then I might, if I have enough fabric, I might try to make like a little like button up crop top shirt thing to go on top of the little bathing suit top. But it's gonna be really freaking cute, okay? If as you guys seen my other outfit where I made my own outfit, I basically just made my own stencil using, or made my own pattern using old clothes that I have, and that's probably what I'm gonna do again, something similar to that. Use an old skirt to make a new skirt out of it, just because I mean I don't have a physical pattern and I'm doing all of this, you know, from the top of my head. So I'm gonna use an old skirt to make a new skirt, and then I'm gonna use I have my bathing suit pattern. I'm gonna use my bathing suit pattern to make a top out of it, and then I'm gonna use a what you call it, the I don't know, like a shirt or something to make the little crop top shirt. So with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, so this right here is the skirt I'm gonna use for a stencil. This skirt is a little bit longer, and I think I want to go with a little bit of a longer skirt because I have a history for like my skirts to start writing. So it'll be like this, but it'll end up like a mini skirt type situation. So I'm just gonna go with a little bit of a longer skirt. All right, so I already cut one of my patterns out, and I kind of messed up a little bit, but it's okay. What I'm gonna do is right here, I meant to make this 3 inches, but I accidentally made it 2.5. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this one a little bit bigger because I want to make sure I have enough space, okay? Cause I got a little booty on me, so, and this material does not have that much give in it. Like it does, but it doesn't, if you know what I mean. Like, it stretches a little bit, but not enough. So I'm just cutting the fabric. Mind you, this is not a perfect like cut, because this is just a rough pattern. Great, and that's my skirt. Now I'm about to cut my bathing suit top. I want to make sure you guys can see. This is one of my bathing suit tops. So just like I was telling you guys with the fringes at the bottom of the skirt, I want to keep fringes at the bottom of the bathing suit top because it's gonna be so cute. You gotta allow like this is 1/4 seam allowance, so I'll try to do like about 1 inch once again, because this does not stretch, so maybe like that much all the way around. So I'm gonna start right. I always get nervous when I do this. I thought that was too much. Alright, so this is the other side, and I'm going to do the same thing, allow myself like a seam allowance. Alright, so I did a lot of this stuff off camera, but I have this like half crop top shirt thing that's got a zipper on it and it's got a hood. So I use that as somewhat of a stencil, and this is what I made. Let me move the camera up a little bit so y'all can see here. Let me move these out the way. So this is the back of the shirt right here. I know it looks kind of big, but it's not a stretchy material. So mind you, most of this is like estimated because that other shirt is like a stretchy material and this material is not as stretchy. So therefore, of course, I had to make it bigger, because if I make it too tight, it's not gonna fit. Mind you, this is gonna be like an open type situation. So I just kind of like finessed this little situation here of sizing. The sizing obviously is off a little bit, but this is kind of what it's gonna look like. It's gonna just open up, and the little bra is gonna be on the inside with the little skirt. So yeah, like I said, the sizing is a little off, but just bear with me. I'm gonna get this. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good when I'm done. Okay, y'all can see like the little open little thing situation right here. So yeah. All right, so right now, don't mind the mess over there, but right now I think what I'm gonna do, because I just did a straight line, I don't really have like a, you see how this is like a straight line? I think I'm gonna like fold it in a little bit and just kind of like pin it, just to kind of give it like a neckline, if that makes sense. Just because I don't want it to be a straight line, because I feel like that's gonna look weird. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna serge the sides of the skirt, just to give it a more like finished product. This is what the serging looks like right here. So I just want it to look like that, so it'll look like that on the outside. So yeah, I'm gonna start from the top. All right, so this part right here, we gonna have to improvise because I ran out of material. I'm like at the end, I'm just trying to sew the straps because I don't have enough material to make a band long enough for the baby suit top. So I'm gonna have to sew these two together. No, I wasn't even sewing. So I gotta sew these two together and then sew them. Hold up. Sorry, y'all. Don't mind me. I'm just trying to rethread my sewing machine because, as you can tell, I wasn't even sewing just now. I did all that for nothing. The only thing I don't like about sewing is my back be hurting. My back really be hurt. All right, let's try this one more time. This time we gonna sew. Okay. Also too, like, I'm not saying that I'm a pro because I'm still learning, okay, y'all, but one thing I can honestly say is I've gotten a lot better. That's for sure. So now we're gonna sew. Now I'm gonna do a reverse stitch just to make sure it's sealed. We got a sealed deal right here. But yeah, I know I might make this look easy, but by any means, I'm not a pro. I'm still learning, as you can tell. I just literally just thought I was sewing and wasn't sewing anything at all. So yeah, anyways, I'm still learning. This extra fabric right here, I'm just gonna cut it off because we don't need it. But yeah, like I said, I'm still learning. I'm not a pro by any means. I still make mistakes, as you can tell. I still make mistakes. I haven't been sewing for that long either. I've only been sewing for maybe like 2 years, maybe if at that. Really and truly don't think I've been sewing that long. But this right here, I'm probably gonna like triple fold it just to make sure I have enough space. Okay, I need this to focus a little bit, but I'm at the end. I'm just like sewing these on here. The straps through the inside, and you see I kind of like made this one match this one. Why so dark? I made this one match this one, and I made the other one match the other one. All right, so I get a safety pin and I put it through here, or I attach it to the strap, and then I push this through the bathing suit bottom like that, and keep pushing it all the way through until it gets to the other side, like such. And that's how you push it through. Now I just gotta do the other side.
The next day.
I know I look crazy, but I just want to show you guys the finished product. This is the finished outfit right here that I made, and I'm getting ready to go to this event, but I just wanted to record this right quick for you guys so you guys can see the cute little outfits. And I got a cute little like Thila, I don't know what you call this, but a little thing that goes on top. It's super cute. So make sure that you guys write down in the comments below, tell me what you think. Like this video, write a comment, let me know what other outfits you guys would like for me to make. Y'all seen how I just upgraded a scarf and made it into a bomb ass outfit, and she's a baddie. She is a baddie. And I want to show you my shoes. They're super cute. But yeah, anyways, make sure you guys like and comment this video, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.